If you're a digital artist trying to move towards cartoon animations, no one can blame you for being lost. AI can help, but it can get pretty tough to figure out which tool is the right fit for you. That's why we've got you covered, Faceless family. We're about to explain to you how you can easily make your own cartoon animation video, whether you're a beginner or a pro, in 3 simple steps using free AI software. This one's for you, Tom from Shaftesbury, England. Let's start with the absolute basics. Chapter 1, Planning and Creating Images. At the beginning of your animation journey, you might have several ideas running through your mind, but how do you bring them out onto the screen? Instinctively, you might try to search things up on Google, but you rarely ever find the perfect image there. If you want to create unique visuals to begin your animations, AI image generators are where you should start. With these, all you have to do is type in a description, whether it's super detailed or just a crazy idea. And it's hard to believe, but the image you had in mind magically appears on your screen. Not only will these tools help you in designing and coming up with ideas for your characters, but they will also help you in getting ideas for the background of your animation and the accessories. And here's the best part, even if you're not a pro, there's no need to worry. Using AI is a very fun experience, and it's so user-friendly that anyone can give it a whirl. So let's dive into a few of the image generating tools in no particular order that you can use to begin your cartoon animation journey. 1. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a stable, diffusion-based free alternative to Midjourney. It offers a beginner-friendly platform to create stunning AI-generated art. For starters, it is exceptionally easy to use. Once you're signed up and logged in, it presents you with a bar where you can enter a prompt of your choice. Keep in mind that the more detailed your prompt is, the better the results will be. With each prompt, you'll get an option of a few different images, all of which visually differ from each other. But that's not all. With every single image generated, you have the option of exploring variations of each image. The tool gives you maximum control, with tons of options to choose from. The best part is that it's a breeze to use. Just type in your creative ideas and Leonardo.ai will whip up fantastic images based on your input. With this, you can design your characters, describe the hair color and body shape, or go for something entirely out of the book. Plus, you can design spaces within which your cartoon character will exist, and if you tell it to create these images in animation style, that is exactly what you're going to get. 2. Bing Image Creator. Bing's Image Creator is powered by the same kind of AI tech that DALL-E had, and it churns out images that are just as good, if not better. The tool also works at lightning fast speed, and unlike DALL-E charging for credits, Bing is free to use through and through. You can jump right in by visiting the Image Creator website and signing in with your Microsoft account. The tool can be found in the same space as Bing Chat, and while Bing has a separate website for the image generator, things are much simpler with this tool. You can ask Bing Chat to whip up an image based on whatever cool idea you have in mind, and it will do that for you. This is a win, because you can do your image making and planning in one place. If you're struggling with ideas, you can ask Bing Chat to help you out. Once an idea clicks in place, you can ask the image creator to give your visual options. With those images, you can then proceed to work on your cartoon animations. But before that, there's one more thing you need to explore. 3. ColorMind. While this tool won't directly help you with animation, it will help you figure out the colors you should add to your animation. With just one click, you can whip up fantastic color schemes, which you can later use while designing your characters or backgrounds. Initially, people thought this was only important for web design, but that isn't true. You can use this AI tool to pick out colors for your videos and make them extremely catchy. Different colors can stir up emotions and affect how people feel and act. Choosing certain colors in your animation might make others happy, but dull colors will invoke feelings of sadness and hopelessness. This is perfect for all the people who don't understand color theory. ColorMind will do it for you, and it won't cost you a single penny. Additionally, while you use the tool, you will get some super helpful tips on how to make the most out of it. It can generate color schemes for you randomly, but it can also customize them to your needs. You might not realize it, but using the right colors will instantly elevate your animation. Now, once you've got your images as the starting point of your animation journey, you're done with half the work. You can now move on to the next step, where the animation magic begins. Chapter 2, Animating Your Cartoon Character. There are 2 ways you can go about it. You used AI tools to generate images for you, which may have provided you with several character designs to move forward with. You can use these exact images to animate the character you have just created, or you can use tools that work in much simpler ways with their character templates and styles. We'll show you how to do both. 1. Animated drawings. This tool was created by Meta, and it is free to use. All you need is a digital image of the character you want to animate. But here's the fun part. This tool is full of opportunities, and you can even put in your doodles to animate. Either way, it is a very simple process. Once you head over to the site, click the Upload Photo button and select your image. Take a moment to read the consent form, and once you're all clear on the terms and conditions, hit that Agree button. Now, fine-tune your drawing by adjusting the capture box to fit snugly around your artwork. Make sure that the background space is reduced as much as possible. You can also use the pen and eraser tools to assign joints to your character. This will give it some elbows, knees, and shoulders so that when it begins to move, it looks as natural as possible. After this, you have to choose an animation style from 4 categories: walking, jumping, dancing, or funny, and you're all done. You can sit back and watch as your character comes to life with barely any effort. The Animated Drawings AI tool works with the help of human figure detection, segmentation, and pose estimation. It teaches your character to move. Additionally, this tool is smart enough to spot and filter out any unwanted elements, even if you're using your hand-drawn doodles to animate. Things like paper wrinkles, shadows, and glare will all disappear from your final animation. But if you don't have an image to animate, the next tool will help you do it all from scratch. 2. Gleastar. Imagine having your very own mascot. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what Gleastar does. You can design your animated character, and it can even lip sync what you want it to say. It's a text-to-animation video platform that makes mascot creation a breeze. And it's not just for one language, it supports more than 5 different ones. As you go through the process, your mascot can work with various facial expressions and gestures, making them super authentic and relatable to your audience. With a very simple interface, you'll have no difficulty navigating this tool. Start by heading to Gleastar's official website, and once you scroll down a bit, you'll find the Create Now button. Click it, and you'll be taken to a new page, where you can hit Start to kick things off. On the next screen, you can pick your animated mascot from several different options, ready-made for you to choose. Once you click Continue, it's time to bring your mascot to life. From the drop-down menus, choose the language and voice you want for your mascot. Type in the script in the text box, and then hit Process to get to the final product. In the next window, you get to choose the perfect template for your video, which means that even the background will be taken care of. And with that, you'll have a cartoon animation ready within mere minutes. But there's another alternative out there. 3. Synthetic. This is where your AI-generated images will come to use. Once you input your image into the program, it will take a good look at it and animate it in the style you want. You can even just use the tool to edit your image, but that's not all. The possibilities are endless with this tool. If you've already animated things, you can input your video into the tool, and it will give your source a fresh makeover in the style you pick. So you can either use synthetic AI to create animations from scratch, or jazz up automatic animations to better match your vision. It's all about being specific about your preferences. In the beginning, you can kick things off with a free trial, which doesn't have an expiration date. If you're fine with the restrictions, you can continue to use this app for free for as long as you want. Plus, it works offline, so you're not tied to an internet connection all the time. If you suddenly get inspired while you're out, this tool will be at your fingertips. There's a massive number of factory presets that you can choose from, which give you all the options you need to keep your creative juices flowing. You're almost at the end of your animation process. Just one more thing you need to do. Chapter 3. Finishing touches. After going through the first 2 steps, you'll have an animation that resembles what you envisioned, but you might still feel like something's missing, and you might want to edit some things to match your style better. That's where the third and final step in your creation process begins, and here's the ultimate tool for that, Runway ML. This isn't just one tool. With Runway, you'll get access to over 30 AI tools. These can whip up awesome images and videos, but they'll also edit your existing animations the way you want. By using special effects and transitions, you can become a pro at video editing and make your final animation pop. The tools will also let you trim, crop, or merge your videos, and if you want to add fancy things, you can use the same tool to track moving objects and add text or graphics. Features like noise reduction and image stabilization will help you handle shaky and noisy footage, ensuring high-quality results. Plus, in-app tools will help you with things like background removal, super slow motion, and image movement as well. Using Runway ML is super quick and easy. Hop on over to their website and set up your account. From there, you can choose what kind of content you want to make, whether it's text to video, image generation, or video editing. Once you upload your text prompts, images, or video clips, you can fine-tune your settings and preferences, which will ensure that the result is exactly what you want. After that, it's time to hit that generate button, and you'll soon have your final product in front of you. You get to review and make any tweaks you want, and once you're thrilled with your creation, just download it. And there you have your final product, a finished, high-quality cartoon animation video made exactly to your liking. Which of these seems the most helpful to you and your process of creating animations? If you're interested in growing your channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face or using your own voice. Now that you know how to make free cartoon AI cartoon animations, you may be curious about which text-to-video software is the best between Pictory and NVIDIA AI. And if that's you, click this video to satisfy your curiosity.